Captain Quark, I see you've reassembled your pathetic Q-Force. It's amazing that anyone would ever align themselves with you after all your treachery.
Now, wait a minute. Quark may be a little rough around the edges, but at least he's not hiding behind a mask. Well, I guess he is hiding behind a mask, but he's not afraid of the universe knowing who he is.
Yeah! Oh, LOL. I'm not afraid.
Hold on, I know this guy.
Stuart Sergo? He used to be captain of the Captain Quark Cadet Club. You wrote some really disturbing fan fiction.
I was in a different place back then. All I wanted to do was be just like you. Then I watched as you were involved in scandal after scandal. And every time the galaxy just forgave you! You're nothing but one big epic fail! And this time, you're going to pay. Colon, close parentheses. I'm out.
Well, now we know.
Oh, thank goodness! I have been stranded out here all morning. You know how to fix whatever this thing is?
I believe you simply have a loose fusion coil.
Okay, that ought to do it. Give her a try.
How about that? Thanks, friend.
No problem. Wait a minute. You've been out here all morning?
Phoenix? What's a phoenix?